folks, Nev from Nev's Tech Bits, and my Nest just came in. Oh, yeah, this is the free Nest Mini that I got simply for being part of Google Premium. Just wonder if there's anything different about this one. Oh, it's a second generation. Shoot, I've been using the first generation. I've been using the old and outdated. What can I say? I wonder what the big difference is between the first and the second generation Nest. Maybe Google can tell me. Hey Google, what's the difference between the first and second generation Nest Mini?
On the website pocket-lint.com, they say, along with sound improvements, the Nest Mini adds a third microphone compared to the Home Mini. Google claims this will allow the second generation model to respond to voice better and faster than the original model.
Nice. Nice. So yeah, other than that, it looks pretty much the same. The first one came in the little box, and of course this one comes in the big long one. Wonder if they give me any Google stickers. You know how you get an Apple product, give you Apple stickers? Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Check that out. Check that out. It's got the hanger-on or hookerator thing. Yeah. So, looking at it, I'm not really noticing much of a difference. Mainly other than that piece that you can use to hang it. Which is very nice, by the way. Huh, that must be for an external speaker or something. See how you get the power. Oh, the power. That's interesting. Okay, so the power is particular. I wonder if they did that because maybe some people were plugging these into plugs that they weren't meant for, or bad plugs. You see, the thing about USB plugs is not all of them are exactly alike. They all have different outputs. So if you plug this into something with the wrong output, I could definitely see it hurting the unit. If it hurts the unit, I could see that affecting the Nest's ability to provide information to the end user. So what I'm saying is I can see why they would do that. So the original unit put out 1.8 amps. I don't see many chargers putting that out. And of course you can see it took the USB Micro B, I think that's called. And then of course this one has the standard. And this one only uses, I shouldn't say standard, it has a specific, I can't think of the name. This one uses 1.1 amps. So I'm going to mess around with these and see how much different the sound is. Set up. Yes, I heard the sound. Hey Google, what's in the tech news?
Here's the latest technology news. Zooming CNET at 7 a.m. last Saturday.
Conditions are part of the platform's growing anti-bullying efforts. Android users will finally get iMessage-like features with the arrival.
Alright, that's interesting. We got lights on both sides now. Hey Google, what's in the tech news?
Here's the latest technology news.
Hey Google, volume 5.
Continuing CNET at 7 a.m. last Saturday.
Google's rich communication service will bring new features like chat over Wi-Fi, read receipts, typing indicators, and the ability to send and receive high-res images and videos.
Okay, Google, that's enough. Yes, you can definitely tell that there is a secondary speaker in this one.
Google's rich communication service will bring new features like chat over Wi-Fi.
That's interesting. Anyways, yeah, you can definitely tell that the second has new speakers. It's going to take a little while to figure out there's actually more to it than that. And then they definitely have a proprietary cable on the back.
Update messages and...
They're soft.
carrier
Hard
services to get the new features.
This is hard plastic and this is soft. It's like they took whatever's here and just spread it out all through. Visually, I'm going to have a very difficult time figuring out which is which if I don't look at the charge port or at the catcherator. But anyways, that's what's up. That's what's going on. This came free from Google because I subscribed to Netflix, not Netflix, but YouTube Premium. So I'm pretty happy with that. Free is good. Anyways, that's it for me, guys. Never from Nev's Tech Bits. Like and subscribe if you like this kind of stuff. Always appreciate it, and catch you later.